In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your TP-Link RE650 Wi-Fi range extender using the physical reset button. Step 1. Plug in extender to power. Before you begin, make sure the RE650 is plugged into a power outlet and powered on. Step 2. Locate the small reset hole or button. Locate the small reset button on the side or bottom of the extender. You may need a paper clip or SIM eject tool to press it. Step 3. Press the reset button. Now, press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds until the LED indicators begin to blink. Release the button and wait for the extender to reboot. This process usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. Once the reboot is complete, all previous settings, including your Wi-Fi configuration, administrator password, and network information, will be erased, and the RE650 will be restored to its factory default settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.